You won't believe it, but this YouTube channel is earning $10,000 per month thanks to over 4 million views in the past 30 days. What's their secret? All their content is AI generated, taking them around 10 minutes to produce each video. These types of videos are getting extremely popular, and let's find out how you can make videos like these and earn thousands of dollars. Step number 1 is creating story with ChatGPT. The foundation of any great animated video is a compelling story. Before giving any prompt, remember not to use common prompts like write kid's story, because many people use similar prompts and everyone create the same story, and their YouTube channel becomes at risk of demonetization. To ensure you ChatGPT prompt get unique results, give ChatGPT a specific prompt. For example, write a short kid's story about 2 little girls and a magical adventure in a hidden forest. With the click of a button, ChatGPT gives us a unique story that we can edit as we wish. Once we've crafted our story script, we move on to generating images. ChatGPT comes to our aid again, providing prompts to generate visuals that complement our narrative. Simply input something like, I want to create an animated YouTube video about this story and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes or write the mid-journey prompt to generate images for every sentence for this story? And hit enter. Creativity plays a pivotal role in achieving optimal results. The more imaginative you are, the better your outcomes will be. Feel free to tweak and customize the prompts to suit your vision. Once you're satisfied with your modifications, be sure to save the story. Step number 2 is generating images. Once we have our story, it's time to bring it to life visually. In step 2, we'll use Leonardo AI, a powerful AI image generator, to generate related images for our story. By inputting our story prompts and providing additional instructions, we can create stunning visuals that enhance the storytelling experience. When you log in, go to the AI image generation option, and for creating animation videos, you can select the 3D animation style and then change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Begin by copying the first scene from ChatGPT and pasting it into Leonardo AI. Then provide specific instructions to optimize the results. Consider including details such as desired color schemes, lighting effects, and composition preferences. For example, something like 8K, realistic, colorful, vibrant. Click on the Generate button and witness the magic as the image materializes. Download the image and repeat the process for every scene. Step number 3 is converting images into animations. Now that we have our images, it's time to animate them. Step 3 involves using tools like Leapix to convert our static images into dynamic animations. With Leapix interface and customizable animation styles, you can create animations that perfectly complement your story. First sign up, upload your image, and you can animate it. You can adjust animation length and style, like horizontal, wide circle, circle, tall circle, and perspective, and make sure to use different animation styles for each scene. Once the animation is done, download it. Repeat this process for all the images. Now let's move on to step number 4, and it is converting story into voiceover. A great voiceover can elevate your animated video to the next level. In step 4, we'll use AI voice generators like 11 Labs to convert our story into a compelling voiceover. With a variety of voices to choose from, you can select the perfect tone and style for your video. 11 Labs has more plans. They have a free plan, which includes 10,000 characters per month, which is about 10 minutes of audio. With them, you can create the most realistic digital replica of your voice. Now add your script to 11 Labs and choose the voice you like best. That's how your voiceover is ready, and you can download it. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In step 5, we'll use video editing software like CapCut to combine our voiceover with our animated images. With CapCut's user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools, you can create a seamless and professional-looking final product. Download CapCut and import all your video clips, and the voice ensure that the voice matches the video clips perfectly. Don't forget to add captions to your video, so go to Auto Caption and click on Create. If you want, you can edit the caption, like changing font, color, etc. To enhance the engagement of your video, add background music, and effects can be highly effective. You can easily access royalty-free music from platforms like the YouTube Audio Library. Simply download the tracks and add them into your YouTube videos to elevate the viewer experience. Now that everything is done, just download video and upload it to your YouTube channel. And there you have it. By following these 5 steps, you can create AI animated story videos that wow your audience and keep them coming back for more. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, these tools make it easier than ever to produce high-quality content that stands out on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your own animated masterpieces today.